What's going on, everybody? This is Jeremy with Nisswa Marine, and we have some exciting news going on here with the onboard edition of Boston Whaler and Sea Ray boats. We have a lot going on and a lot of new product coming at you. So today we're going to go over the Sea Ray 290 SDX. This is a beautiful boat, a deck boat style boat that provides an amazing comfort, creature comforts, and many other features that we're going to get after right now. Starting at this massive swim platform, one of our favorite features on the Sea Ray boats, a lot of these models have, is the extended flip down sun deck. This thing here, it's super easy to operate, one little pull of the latch, and this thing comes down, which is really nice. We can hang out in the water here on a real hot summer day. Otherwise, it's another little assistant to get up into the boat from the water, making it a nice easy step. The flip down swim step is really a must-have. As we reach the stern, we have these really convenient transom lounge seats. These are very inviting, super comfortable. We have a lot of different areas to put things, cup holders, storage compartments. These are super, super comfy. They do flip down if you need a little bit more of a low profile setup for putting your cover on. And I like how they do this. They put a nice little step here in case we do need to get to the dock from this side. We can step right here and into a dock section if we're on a shorter dock. So really, really convenient entryway. They give you a nice countertop so we can have an area to put things or prep food on. We can take this out here. We got a nice little ice dish here. We have our sink right here. And then everybody loves having a garbage receptacle. You can take this out, empty it, super simple. Our battery location, really easy to get at. Battery switch, we have on, off, 1, 2, with a Pro Charger system that's charging the batteries right now. As we enter the cockpit, you're going to notice in a 29-foot boat, we have just tons of room in here. Plenty of seating. It's yacht certified, so you could put as many people in here as you deem safe. Our unique situation here with this is actually a refrigerated ice chest. So there's a unit in here. It's almost like a built-in refrigerator cooler ice chest. So really unique option there. We do have our cooler that slides in and out of here, our igloo cooler. And then they got two different floor hatches, one up in the front since we have so much room in the boat, and one down here in the main cockpit area. This boat has the gray sea deck flooring. You can order this boat in either the dune tan type of interior or this contemporary gray. One unique thing on this 290 is we can really expand the entertaining in the cockpit of the boat. If we just simply pull both of these cushions back, now we have this huge excessive area where we can all be just hanging out in the back of the boat, including the driver and the passenger. We have a really beautiful, simple to read 12-inch SIMRAD. This is going to give us all of our mercury engine gauges, our GPS, depth finder, everything in one system. We got the Fusion Bluetooth stereo, very, very good sound system. We got two cup holders. We even have a nice little shelf in here if we want to set our phone down in here. This particular boat is powered with the Merc Cruiser. This is going to have the digital electronic shift as well on the DTS shifting, so you're going to really like that. In a deck boat, we're going to have the head compartment, nice easy entry and access here. They do have a nice light in here. It's very deep, so tons of room down there to get inside of. Got a couple cup holders here, another little glove box here. Always great little creature comforts to put things. We have a nice storage compartment that's just in front of the driver's helm station. Coming forward, this is our second floor hatch that I was talking about earlier. This is really nice if we have maybe a couple large fenders or some more ropes we want to store in here, keeping it nice and conveniently stored down here. We got these nice flip down armrests, padded bolsters all the way around here so our backs aren't going up against any fiberglass. It's really comfortable no matter where you're sitting up in this bow. From the push of the button right at the helm, you have a button that just throws this anchor out into the water, anchors you, and you have the capability to anchor anywhere on the lake in a safe way. There is a extra safety handle in here in case something happens with the switch at the helm, so they do give you the option to manually crank it if you need to. Plenty of storage up in this bow. We got both of these that hinge open like this. These are all finished off compartments. We don't have any raw fiberglass edges anywhere. These are drainable compartments as well. So plenty of storage in this 29-foot boat. That's a quick review of the 290 SDX Sea Ray here at Nisswa Marine. We're really excited to continue to bring on more models here as we go through the season. Please stay tuned and we'll get right back at you with some more Sea Ray walkthroughs.